Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to use Opera Mini 4.2 wherein you can listen to your favorite MP3 while you are browsing the internet using your Opera Mini 4.2. If you really love listening to your MP3 files on your phone, you are actually this version of MP3 is really uh, perfect for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the menu and then go to Pinoy and then go to My Java and then Java. Again, lahat po ng applications or lahat po ng makikita natin sa inyong Java is yung all the applications that you installed to your phone. Syempre, for the complete information and details on how to download and how to install the Opera Mini 4.2 na you can listen to your favorite MP3 file, all you have to do is just log on to facebook.com and then look for the My Phone T23 fan page. Okay, right now, punta lang tayo sa ating Java and then just look for the Opera Mini 4.2 para masimulan na natin ang pagpapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya ginagamit. Okay, once na mapili na natin siya, just launch that. As you can see, yan ang kanyang startup page. I mean, you can change the front query and everything just like an ordinary Opera Mini. Just save lang natin siya. If na-configure na naman na siya, all you have to do is just save it. Yan, mag-load na siya. Siyempre, like an Opera Mini, an ordinary Opera Mini 4.2, yan ang itsura ng kanyang startup page. Siyempre, may pagkakaiba pa ba yan? Let's try to open, try natin magbukas ng isang page, siyempre, para masubukan natin ang kanyang internet capabilities, diba? As you can see, guys, nag-load siya sa ilalim like an ordinary Opera Mini 4.2. Sa ilalim po siya nag-load. Ayan, nakapasok na po tayo sa facebook.com. If you want to listen to your favorite MP3, all you have to do is just tap. Touch lang po natin yung nasa taas, wherein you can add another window, which is yan. And then, if you want to listen to your favorite MP3, just tap lang po natin yung menu. Siyempre. And then sa menu is yung may go to. And then dyan sa go to makikita nyo, ayan, meron kayong enter address or several ano gusto nyo, buksan bookmarks and everything. Sa pinakababa po niyan is merong file manager, which is you can touch that if you wanna listen to your MP3. Well, just go to your file manager. Siyempre, tatanungin niya kayo, the Opera Mini will ask for your permission kung pwede niya i-access yung inyong file manager. Just click lang po natin yung yes. And you have an option if you wanna play your MP3 from your memory card or from your phone memory. Siyempre, memory card dahil dun po nakasave yung sa aking mga MP3s. And then, kung 10 folder sa inyong memory card, ipapakita niya rin po dyan lahat. Siyempre, My Music, siyempre. As you can see, yan na mo yung mga file ko na nasa My Music na folder ko sa aking memory card. If you want to play something dyan or song from there, syempre, all you have to do is just choose from those songs na gusto nating i-play. Syempre, ano pa nga ba, since that we are using a My Phone T23 Duo, which is touch screen, full touch screen, all you have to do is just touch the song that you wanna play. Okay, yan. Ayan. Una, mahina po muna yan. And you have an option if you wanna increase the volume, which is yan po, yung nasa lower left niya, which is you can see the volume there para malakasan niyo po siya. As you can see, medyo mahina po siya. Ayan. Unlike dun sa ordinary na volume ng phone natin, medyo mahina siya. Pero okay naman siya. I mean, if you're using an headset, it's fine. You can browse the internet using this 1. And dun sa ilalim, you have an option if you want to minimize it, feel free to minimize it. And then pag na-minimize niya siya, ayan, you can continue browsing yung internet yan. Syempre, while listening to your favorite music, yan. Super Facebook po tayo habang nakikinig. Well, that's okay, that's fine. I mean, yun talaga yung purpose ng Opera Mini 4.2. Listening to your favorite MP3 while you are browsing the internet. Again, I hope you had fun to this video. Again, the purpose of this video is to show you that you have a lot of options na pwedeng pagpilian when it comes to internet browsing using your MyPhone T23 Duo, Opera Mini, and also Globe Prepaid SIM. For your questions and inquiry about this, you can follow me on Twitter. All you have to do is just log on to Twitter, www.twitter.com/ILoveJessG. Again, it's www.twitter.com/ILOVEJEJHEZZG. Again, it's www.twitter.com I love G, or just log on to facebook.com and look for the MyPhone T23 fan page. May mga admins po dyan na pwede kayong tulungan sa inyong mga tanong about sa Opera Mini. Again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you had fun, and I hope you had a nice you're gonna have a nice day ahead. Thank you for watching. Bye.